All right, G Squad, I bring to you the man, the myth, the legend.
How y'all doing today? Today I'm on my mother-in-law's show and I'm cooking with her. I'm gonna show y'all how to make this beer can chicken. And we're gonna do this the Virginia way. So y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to put this together. Chickens, I'm gonna defell it and went through and washed them and everything. Next, I'm gonna be adding all my seasonings and spices, get them all going, adding the beer into it. We're gonna be using Modelo. I'm gonna clean these cans off, we'll stuff them with that, crack the top on them. We're gonna let it do its thing. All right.
All right, family, all the ingredients that he's going to be using, we're going to list that below.
And be generous with all your seasonings. Trust me, you ain't gonna hurt it. You're gonna want a lot.
Gotcha.
Gotta season the inside of it really thorough. So that's why your flavor gonna come through. With your beer and your seasonings and your spices. And it's gonna be wonderful, trust me. See? He's sneezing, he's sneezing.
Yep. That's that Tony's boy, get you every time. All right, family, so with both chicken seasoned, he's now going in and he's going to add a heaping tablespoon of margarine to each chicken. And what this is going to do is serve as a binder for the seasonings that he's going to put on the outside of the chicken, as well as it's going to lend to adding some crispiness to the skin while it's baking.
Don't be afraid to get your hands down in there.
That's right.
Everything we do in this kitchen made with love.
That's it. There you go. Okay, so now he's going in with those same seasonings and he's going to season the outside of the chicken. All right, now, so as you can see, he's washing the cans. Make sure you wash your beer cans thoroughly. Okay, so you what, removing the...
I'm just taking them off. You don't have to.
Okay. All right, so he's now inserting. Wow, look at this. So now, as you can see, he inserted the chicken upright onto the beer can. Then he's going to repeat the process. Oh, he's seasoning it. Now he's going to season the back of it. You see how I don't know if you can see how the beer is foaming up already, and it's coming out the top of the bird. You move back. Okay, I'm gonna go around y'all so y'all can see it from this angle. And so he has the oven preheated to 375 degrees. Family, comment below if you ever heard of this recipe. If you've ever seen the style of cooking chicken, because this is really my first time ever hearing about this. Put that can in there. Hold this, make sure it doesn't slip. Okay, so again, just repeat the process, season that bird all around. Okay, so now with the bird seasoned, he's going to go ahead and place the lid on.
Make sure you got it tight and secure. Pop into the oven.
Okay, and how long are you going to let this cook for?
It's about 3 hours, three and a half
so
hours.
3 hours on 375 degrees. And so we'll pop it in.
And
okay, he said to make sure periodically you check on it and baste it. You can actually take that out.
I think it's ready for
All right. Okay, y'all, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Oh.
Ooh, falling off the bone already.
See how tender? He's going in with a spoon and the meat is just falling off the bone. Yo, look at that. Look how pretty golden brown this chicken is. Wow. So how much longer would you say you have to go now? Because it seems like they're pretty much...
Yeah, I'm just gonna let them cook a few more.
Alright. Alright, so we'll have an exact ETA for you.
I'm gonna give it about 10 more, 15 minutes.
Yeah, so about 15 more minutes just to allow this base that he's putting on, you know, to cook through and add just a little more browning to it. But yeah, just like I said, just from him touching it with the spoon, the meat is pretty much falling off the bone. Yeah, look at that. You see how easily that breaks up?
Yeah, that's perfect.
Wow, beautiful. So about another 10-15 minutes and these babies will be done. Okay, so we'll see you back shortly. It smells amazing. Alright, so back in the oven they go. I'm so excited. I'm panning closer. And look at that, y'all. Look at that. Before heat. Look at that. Beautiful.
So
alright,
tender.
so now look how tender it is. He's using a butter knife. And you see how the meat is just falling off the bone. How beautiful and white that is. Yes. Absolutely beautiful. Can I taste a piece?
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I'm going to give him the camera.
Get your piece right here with a little piece of this skin.
Alright, let me get a fork so I won't burn my finger. Okay.
Get that little piece of that skin right there. Flavor.
Alright, here, you want to hold up? Put the camera on me.
Ma'am.
Alright, fam. Here we go. See that? Okay.
It's delicious, I told you.
Oh my gosh. Family. I'm not just saying this because it's my son-in-law. That is some of the best chicken that I ever tasted. I dipped it in the beer, marinade, the juice. And it doesn't even taste like beer because it's blended in now with all the seasonings and stuff. When I tell you there's a party going on in my mouth right now, y'all have got to try this recipe. I kid you not. Matter of fact, I was going to originally make this a part of my video, but you know what? This came out so well. Look for a separate video for this, and I will make sure I will link everything that he used to make this. It is fabulous. You have to try it. You have to try it. So, babe, I'm going to let you close out this video.
Yes, ma'am. Gotta try it. Beer can chicken. It's awesome. I'm telling you, you gotta try it. Add those spices, add your beer. You're gonna love it. There's no such thing as over seasoning. I promise you it's gonna work out in the end. And we're gonna have a delicious dinner.
All right. So G Squad, thank you so much for tuning in and watching. And you will see them in the next video. Or
Thanksgiving.
all right, G Squad. So I wanted to again say thank you so much for tuning in and, you know, showing my son-in-law some love. And I reiterate, please try this recipe. You're gonna be amazed at how delicious the flavors, everything. Oh, it's amazing. But anyway, guys, happy Thanksgiving again to you and yours. If you're traveling, you know, be safe, have a safe trip. If you're staying home, enjoy your day. Thank you to God for blessing us with another year. And we have so much to be thankful for throughout the year. And on that note, I'm going to close out this video, get dressed, and go visit some more family. I love you guys, and I will see you on the next video. Bye.